Hey everyone, it's finally here, the unboxing of the Beautylish lucky bag. I received it yesterday and I just filmed a little bit of the unboxing, me taking it apart. I placed my order in December, I think it was the 25th of December or something like that, maybe a little bit before. They said it was expected to ship on the 12th of January, which is my mum and dad's anniversary. Let's unbox the Beautylish lucky bag. Very highly anticipated on my end. I look forward to this every year without fail. I think I have missed 1 year. Can't even remember what year it was that I actually missed out. But anyway, give you the lovely Year of the Dragon paper that it comes with, which is just I collect all these, by the way. Just pretty wrapping paper that never gets used. The dragons on this year's lucky bag symbolize good luck and fortune along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that help you tap into your power in 2024. Well, so do I. I hope and wish that for everybody. So anyway, let's go ahead. Before I start finding out what's going in, it comes wrapped in this plastic, so let's just go ahead and unwrap it. A bit of plastic unwrapping. I'm going to pull out something that looks quite big here. So what's this? Alright, Good Molecules. This is a Beautylish brand. Love Good Molecules. Now this is the hydrating facial cleansing gel, a gentle cleanser to leave skin feeling balanced and hydrated. Well, that's fabulous. I'm always after a cleanser. I'm always after a really good cleanser. So let's unbox this and see. Comes in a tube like that, which is excellent. You get 200 mils, which is a fabulous amount. A gentle cleanser to leave skin feeling balanced and hydrated, and it's got all the ingredients listed on the back there, which obviously I don't know if it's in focus, but yeah, it's got water. I'm not even going to look, forget it. It's got nice cleansing ingredients in here. And yeah, so also the fact that I don't even have my glasses on, I can't read. So like I said, I'm always in the market for a good cleanser and happy to have received that. All right, let's see what we've got next. I have a feeling this is going to be a brush holder. Oh, it's a brush holder with brushes. Now, who's this by? No, they give you this refreshing charcoal pack. Bit of ASMR. Unit 203. I've never heard of this brand. Unit 203, you get 5 brushes. And I presume these are all eyeshadow brushes. So that's excellent. Who's never, ever said no to makeup brushes? Not me. Especially when you are so lazy to clean them. And no, I did clean all my brushes. I did do it. But these look so lovely. It's like a crease brush. How soft is this? It's very soft. And obviously I presume that they would be synthetic, which is even better. So that would mean that they're cruelty-free, vegan. Let me just fold that over so we can have a good look at the brushes there. I'm really, really happy to have received these because I am always in the market to try on new eyeshadow brushes, and these look like all fluffy crease shadow blending brushes. There's even like a smudging brush there, pencil brush, just Excellent. All right, well, thank you, Unit 201. Happy to try that. Okay, let's see what we've got here. The Natasha Denona Xenon palette. What? Now, I know this palette came out, and no, I didn't anticipate on buying it because to me it just looked like a whole bunch of blacks, greys, whites. But I'm not going to complain about a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, no way. Wow, this is amazing. Absolutely, look at the reflection there. Hi, let's open this baby up. Oh, look at how pretty she is. Isn't that just... look, I am not going to complain about a palette that's just got greys and blacks and whites and little baby pinks. No way, hell no. I am so happy that I have this, and I cannot wait to play around with it, and I will do a tutorial using this for the first time. So thank you so much, Natasha Denona and Beautylish, for popping this into my 2024 lucky bag. Absolutely happy about that. And we will peel off this little sticker at another time. Look, this alone I know is worth, I believe this is like $75 USD. So convert that to Australian dollars, it's like about $125. So I paid $75 USD for this whole eyeshadow palette, which cost me so it's pretty much, this is the lucky bag. This is worth more than the actual lucky bag itself, which is excellent. Really excited about that. All right, let's see what we got here. Is this another, I don't know, feels like Wayne Goss, but we don't, we'll only know until we rip this thing off. So the Weightless Veil Blush Palette in Shocking and Pearl. Yes, it is Wayne Goss. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's take this reflectiveness away and open up the damn thing. Oh my goodness, I love Wayne Goss. I love his products. I love his eyeshadow palettes. I love his eyeliners. They are the best. Love his waterproof mascara. So good. But I haven't got any of his blushes. So excellent, because you know I did a blush declutter not long ago. All right, here we go. So that's it. They're very reflective. Let's open up the colors and see what they look like. Ooh. Oh wow, that's shocking pink. Definitely shocking and pearl. So just take that off. We've got a shocking pink and we've got a reflective pearl highlighter. So this would work for pretty much any skin tone, I would say, especially deeper skin tones. Now the palette that I got was light to medium, and there was a medium to deep eyeshadow, a lucky bag that was medium to deep. I nearly bought two of them, but I just stuck to getting the light to medium lucky bag. But isn't this just gorgeous? Very pretty. All right. So happy to have received this. Yes, I love blush. Yes, I love highlighter. We'll test this out when we are doing the Natasha Denona eyeshadow tutorial with the Xenon eyeshadow palette. So thank you, Wayne Goss and Beautylish. And Wayne Goss is only stocked at Beautylish, so it makes sense that they would have popped something in there by Wayne. Love it. All right, let's see what we've got here. Mob Beauty, another lipstick. I received a Mob Beauty lipstick in last year's lucky bag, and I wonder if it's the same shade. If it's like a corally shade, we'll know. Oh, okay, there's nothing in here. This is just the lipstick holder. So let's see where the lipstick is. Here we go. It's a different shade, actually. The different shade. Let's open it up. It's in the shade number 59. Number 59. Well, look, I'm not going to open it up now, but it's like a rosewood. And that's pretty. Last year's Lucky Bag had the other shade and it was very coral. Like I'm talking like an orange corally colour. So this is a nice rosewood browny, pinky, beautiful, your lips but better shade. So looking forward to trying that. Alright, let's see what else we've got. This is a lucky last product. Verb Extra Glossy Shine Spray with Heat Protection for the hair. For the hair. This is excellent. It came in handy because I just love anything to do with hair. I recently bought the Jonathan something from Sephora little kit for the hair. Been loving that. And I love Verb because I love their ghost oil. Now the ghost oil that I have has been all used up because I used it up a very long time ago and I never repurchased it. I should have because I loved it so much, and now this is something new from them. So it's a spray, it's a heat protecting spray, and it's supposed to offer hydration protection from the heat. So loving that, and it's a big bottle too because you get 193 mils, which is 6.5 fluid ounces. So that's it guys with the Lucky Bag. That's all there is to it. Now, am I happy about this year's Lucky Bag? Absolutely. What was it that actually brought me over the edge to make this decision? It's obviously these two shadow palettes here. Well, the blush palette by Wayne Goss and obviously the Natasha Denona Xenon eyeshadow palette. Of course, also the brushes. I'm going to use the brushes with these. When I do the Natasha Denona look, I'm going to use these brushes and test them out, see how they go. But guys, that's pretty much it for the Lucky Bag. I am so excited to try these products out, and I will be doing a video on that soon, trying the products on. Obviously I will use the I'll just try everything on. It'll be a try on of all the things that I received in the Lucky Bag. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And yeah, have a lovely day or night wherever you are guys. Bye for now.